Mom, come here. Sit here.
It's okay. I'm fine.
Where can I get a job? Wow, that pink dress looks so lovely. Tomorrow is my birthday. I wish I had a chance to wear it.
Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Look at your clothes. They are so dirty.
I only want to look at the dress, ma'am.
Tom, look! What's happening with her over there?
Go away. Poor girls can't afford a dress like this. Hey, leave this place right now. Hurry.
I am sorry. I will go.
Tom, did you see that? That woman was really cruel.
That's not fair at all. Let's go after her, Megan. She looks very unhappy.
Where is she heading?
Look, that's where she lives.
It's such a tiny house.
I need to stop crying. Mom will start worrying. Mom, I'm home. How are you feeling now?
I'm fine, Lucy. Did you manage to find any work today?
Here, Mom. Take this food. I'm not hungry.
She is giving her meal to her mother.
She is so brave, Megan. We have to help her. Megan, stay still.
Okay, Tom. It's just a little food, but I hope he'll have enough to eat.
What's that? Oh, who left this here? Milk and fresh bread. Thank you, kind stranger. Mom, look! We have something to eat.
She looks so happy.
I feel really good inside. We need some more fresh root, too. Megan, Lucy's birthday is tomorrow.
Tom, did you hear that?
Yeah, it's going to rain. Wait, look at her house.
Oh no.
The roof. It's leaking. Water is dripping inside.
Mom, come here. Sit here.
It's okay. I'm fine.
No, Mom. You're cold.
Megan, she has nothing. Not even a dry place.
Tom, we can't fix everything.
I know. But maybe we can give her one happy day. Just one day, without worries.
Tom, her birthday.
Yes. Let's do something special for her. Something she will remember. Do you remember that pink dress?
Yes.
Let's make her dream come true.
That's right. Let's break our piggy bank and buy it for her.
Where could we find it? Here it is. Let's break open our piggy bank and buy that dress.
One, 2, 10.
$50.
Oh no. The dress costs $80.
We don't have enough money.
We still need $30 more.
How can we earn it?
I have an idea.
I have an idea. Let's sell lemonade.
Great idea. Everyone loves lemonade in summer.
Let me check if I made it correctly. Perfect. Now let's go to the park.
Okay, the cups are ready. And the sign looks great.
We are open for business.
No one is coming. Tom, it's been a long time. Maybe we chose the wrong place. We won't make enough money like this.
Don't worry, Megan. Let's wait a little longer.
Why is no one stopping? Are we doing something wrong?
No, we just need to be patient. Wait, someone is coming.
Hi, can I get a large cup, please? It's very hot today.
Of course. Here you are, sir.
Thank you, little girl.
Megan, we only have $10.
We still need much more.
I know, but at least we started. Don't give up, Megan. Let's keep trying.
Tom, we still don't have enough. We need more customers.
Someone is coming.
What is this?
We're selling lemonade.
$2 per cup.
$2? That's too expensive. No one will buy this. Your lemonade probably tastes bad.
Tom, let's just ignore him.
No, wait. If you don't want it, that's okay. But please don't laugh at us. We are trying to help someone.
Help someone?
Yes, it's for a girl who has nothing.
Give me 1 cup.
What?
I said, give me 1 cup. It's actually good. Keep the change.
Tom, did you see that?
Yes. Sometimes people just don't understand at first.
Hey, Tom, why are you selling lemonade today?
We're getting ready for a special birthday surprise for a secret friend.
I also want to add something from ourselves. That's really nice. Give me 1 cup, too.
Thank you.
See you at school, Tom.
$28, $29, $30. We did it!
Now we have enough money for the pink dress. That dress is really beautiful.
She will definitely love it.
Can I help you, kids?
We want to buy that pink dress over there.
It's quite pricey. Are you sure you have enough money?
Of course. We worked really hard to earn it.
All right, here is your dress. It's a lovely present.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go, Megan. Okay, we'll leave it here. Quick, we need to hide before she comes outside.
Who's there? But there's no one here. A gift from an unknown friend? Is this box for me? It's the dress. The lovely pink dress. Thank you, mysterious friend.
She looks so happy, Tom, even before trying it on.
We did something really good today.
Mommy, look! That mysterious friend gave me a birthday gift.
They must be very kind people, dear.
They helped us have good meals, and I'm slowly getting better too. They gave without expecting anything back.
Learn from them, my dear, because that is true kindness.
Tom and Megan, what are you doing here?
Mom and Dad, how did you find out we were here?
We already know everything.
We saw everything. My dear children, you've done a truly wonderful thing. I'm very proud of you. You have such kind and caring hearts.
We just wanted to make her smile.
So, did you enjoy the story?
Remember, even a small act of kindness can change a lot.
You don't need much money to help others. All you need is a kind heart.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.